Hello friends, this is AK360 again. So been busy with office work and had some family issues, so I had to leave the town for a while. So I thought it was a little boring since I've been using this bike for almost an year. So I thought, okay, let's try to change the look of the bike. So this is a video of how you can do it yourself by installing the AS200 wind visor to your NS200. So let's begin and we'll see what all things we need to do it in our home. So once you have the tools ready, and that is where you'll be removing the screw to remove that NS200 visor. So there will be two screws, one on the right, one on the left. That's where the arrow wedge is pointing to. So once you remove that, you'll be able to just snap it out. So don't worry, there will be a rubber holding for the below part of the visor, so nothing to worry about. You can just pull it off with your fingers. So don't be scared that it might break. You might think it's gonna break, but it's not gonna happen. So you just pull it off and that will come out. Once you remove that, take the AS200 visor and just place it on top of the NS200 and take a marker or any short point so that you can make a mark where you need to make the hole. As you see here, we made that marker, so we are trying to punch in a hole using that rod. If you have a soldering rod, you can use that. Since we didn't have it, we tried to use the kitchen equipment. Sad we had to throw it off after that because it was sticking that plastic smell. So we punched 4 holes out of it, and we tried to see if the screws are fitting in. If it doesn't fit, so you can use a small screwdriver kit to just make sure your screw fits in. Don't make it too big or else it will become too loose to fit in. So make sure the screw fits in tight, as I did here. So I tried to make a perfect hole, the 4 holes where I can fit in the AS visor. So let's move on next. We fit the NS200, and on top of it we kept the AS200 visor, and we tried to screw it and make sure that it doesn't hit anything in the back. So we tried to tight it, but we felt that it's gonna punch in somewhere inside. So we made sure it's not hitting anything, so that we can push it all the way to the screen. As you can see, all the 4 screws have been tightened up now. There's a transparent one, which so since the transparent was not looking that good, so we headed straight to the sticker showroom, and we had that covered with the matte black. So that's how it looks. So after the matte black was done, so we sticked it and we screwed all 4 screws back to it, and that's how it looks. Not sure if you guys like the look, but it somehow changed the bike, which actually looks, if you see the side profile, it's kind of different from the previous NS. So that's all for now, guys. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my videos. There are more videos coming up now. Sorry for giving a little more gap since I had some personal issues. So we'll catch up soon for some more videos. See you all now for now. Bye bye.